Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I feel like I have not done an intro in a while. I just be getting straight to it. But today we're giving natural, we're giving conservative, we're giving summer looks. Okay, you guys know I don't really like bobs, but I've been more comfortable with like the natural styles, my real hair. So I've been gravitating more towards things that mimic that. So if you're interested in this style that I have today, make sure you guys are of course checking the description box for any information down below, and make sure you guys are liking this video, subscribing, and keep watching. Today's wig is from Hairvivi. It comes ready to wear. So as you guys can see, I'm taking it right out the box and I'm going to be wearing it as is. I did not do any plucking, any bleaching, any washing, any tweaking, any tinting, anything. So this wig is going to definitely be beginner friendly and easy to install. So we're going to be wearing this glueless for the most part. We'll get to that in a second. And what helps the wig be glueless is the placement of the strap or the elastic band inside of the wig. That is what ultimately keeps your wig down and laid without any adhesive if you're not at that level yet, or if you don't like to use any kind of adhesive, because I know sometimes, whether it be glue, sprays, gels, whatever, it can irritate the skin sometimes. So yeah, and then also of course it has the big comb in the back and the adjustable straps in the back as well. So this is how the wig looks, again straight out the box. Nothing has been done, and then the hairline is giving natural. Even the texture of it, it's not too like pressed out, it's not too straight, it just looks good. Okay, so I was just kind of getting a feel of how the wig looked on my head. I was just hot combing it, spraying it, seeing where I wanted it to be flat, where I wanted more volume, all that. I did leave the part, it was a side part, which was okay with me, and it was a part that it was a side that I like my side part on, but it was a diagonal part, which I've never done. I always like do a curved part or straight back, and I actually kind of like the diagonal part. So I'm taking note of that so I can do it next time. So because this is going to be a glueless method, well, I'm going to be showing you guys with the adhesive after, but because this is going to be glueless, I need to make sure I'm cutting this lace correctly. You guys, normally I just be cutting, but this time I need to kind of take my time. So that's what I'm doing. This is going to be the hardest part, but it's also easy because you don't have to do a million steps after this. So just take your time cutting. And also the lace is so thin and so undetectable that you don't really have to cut perfect. It's just like a me thing, but you know, just do a little jagged line. And if you like cut uneven, it literally melts into your skin. If you cut straight across, it's gonna look like lace. So just, you know, take your time creating uneven lines, I guess, if that makes any sense. And yeah, that's what I did. So after that, you guys, that was kind of it. I just kind of like styled it and played with it. I know in the picture, if you guys click the link, she's gonna have like that little bump. I didn't want that. I wanted a simple, nice wrap style. So I just straightened my hair out a little bit more, and I cut it so that it was more even and framed my face at the bottom, just like slightly. You guys will see. So styling this hair was super easy. The quality of the hair was amazing, silky. I loved it. It just looks so good. So this is the wig glueless, you guys, and it looks amazing. I feel like glueless is going to be great for these hotter months coming up because baby, the heat is here. The heat is here and it is fighting us back. So I feel like this is going to be great. You're going to be able to remove your wig daily without any issues. So if you don't like the glueless method or don't feel secure, I got you. So I'm going to be using this Eben spray. I personally do not use glue on my channel. That's just not my thing. I don't like glue. I think it's sticky and messy, and the spray does a good enough job. So for me, because this wig is already glueless, and I do like to take my wigs off at night anyway, I'm just spraying the side tabs because that way the wig is gonna like not be clockable. When it's glueless, the side tabs may come up, but if it's sprayed down, they're gonna lay down, but you still won't feel like you have anything on your head. I hope that's making sense to you guys. But yeah, I didn't have to do a full install. It wasn't dripping down my face. It wasn't a lot of product. It was really, really easy. So you guys, that was pretty much it. And I just did a little just to show you guys the difference, but it looks so good. And I really like this a lot more than I thought, because if you know me, you know how I feel about bobs. Okay. But they're actually really growing on me. I think also because of the season and the weather is changing. I just like, you know, something a little lighter on my head. So the hairline looks amazing. I'm just going to continue styling and playing with it to my likings. Like I said, I wanted to leave this a more natural, subtle hairstyle. You can do so much with this wig. You can curl it, you can flip it, you could do this and that and that. You can wear a middle part, side part, flip over. You can do endless things with this. But this is all that I decided to do, and I'm going to talk to you guys at the end of this video. Let me know what you guys think so far. I was feeling like the texture, like look at the shine, the luster, yes. But I'm gonna stop talking and I will talk to you guys at the end. Alright guys, so this is a completed look. I did a quick makeup look and I actually really like it. It's giving like conservative, very natural. It's not your typical bob. Like when I think bobs, I think like Edna Mode, like sharp, but this is just very like light, airy. It literally looks like a wrap hairstyle, like when you wear your natural hair and kind of wrap it. And this is what it's giving. I really, really like it. I love the density of it. I like the cut of it. And I like the subtle color that it has as well. So make sure you guys check out Hairvivi. I will leave all the information down in the description box below. And thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.